you just don't know where to start, especially if you are behind on bills in the middle of a pay period. You don't have enough money. You're robbing Peter to pay Paul. So you're like, where in the world do I even start? And I completely understand how that feels. And so I understand the frustration that comes along with starting. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you basically how I'm starting over. If you guys caught the last video, you will be able to see that I'm starting over in my journey. And trust me, guys, I have all of that going on. I don't have enough money to pay everything. Okay. I'm behind on some bills. Okay. And I'm just trying to figure out how to get everything organized so I can go ahead and move forward. So in this video, I'm going to be doing step 1. And then in the next video, which will be airing, that's when I'm really going to be getting to the meat and potatoes. So make sure that you follow specifically, or watch rather, this video and the next video, because I'm going to be sharing my process and what I'm doing, which could possibly help you or someone else that you know who may need this video. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you are interested in and you are starting over in your journey, starting fresh, or you're already on your journey and you just want to keep up with your girl, you want to be friends, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm also on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, and that's it. I can't do no more platforms. That's it. That's it. Okay. But let's go ahead and flip this camera over and get started. So the budget planner that I use is by The Budget Mom, and I will have it linked down below. If you are interested in the planner, you can purchase it. Now, the way that I budget, or the way that I complete my monthly budget, is I write down all of the bills that I have due, the due date for the bill, and then also my pay dates. I do not complete a full-on monthly budget because what I have determined is that it is very overwhelming for me, and it is just a lot. It's way too much. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. So the method that I use is to jot down all of my due dates, or all of my bills, the due dates, and my pay date. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. I have a dashboard here from Erin Condren, and this dashboard just has all of my bills and the due date and the amount for the bill, if the bill is a standard amount and it's not variable, it doesn't change. If the bill amount does change, I will look that bill up to see how much it is for the month that we are in. And then that is all I do to prepare for the month. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and write down everything, and then I will come back and I will explain to you all of the bills that I have for the month of May. Hey Jim, so it is the next day and I have completed the full budget, and so I just want to go over what I have for everything planned out in the month of May. Because this is my first month back, it might be a little shaky or sketchy a bit, but it's okay because we're getting back into the groove of things. But the main thing, I just want to make sure that I get this budget completed. So let's go over it. So everything that I have written in black is a bill. Everything that I have in purple is going to be something that I am going to have to spend money on. I guess you can say it's an expense. It's not something that I have to do monthly, but it's a birthday, it's Mother's Day, it's, you know, things like that that I may have to spend money on that I want to remember to include in my budget, okay? So first we're going to start with mortgage that is due on the 1st. Now I have a great testimony as it relates to my mortgage. The couple videos ago I told you guys that my mortgage had increased by $1,000. You guys, it has decreased back down to what it was, so I'm super excited about that. I thank God for that blessing. Just don't ever give up, you guys. Don't ever give up. I'm telling you, even when it looks like it's not gonna change, it very well can. Next is my HOA. Now, my HOA, I am late by 2 months. So the total is $801. And I plan to pay it off in the month of May. I am gonna pay 1 month, which is $280, I believe, and then I'll pay the rest of it the rest of the month to get caught back up on my HOA. My internet and cable is a total of 100 and it used to be 130. I think now it's 140. Yes, not I think, I know it's 140 now. So let me write that in. So my internet and cable is kind of expensive. However, I do get reimbursed from my job about $60 a month for my internet and cable. So it's not too bad. If I ever get to a point where I'm tired of it, then I am just going to cut the cable off. The thing is, the cable is not the problem. So next is mobile. My mobile is about $5. It's probably like $3 a month, and that's basically for my Apple Watch. And then my home security is $75.72. Now, the things that are on auto pay, I do want to note that it probably will be more beneficial to put it in the paycheck, but ADT is on auto pay. My internet and cable is on auto pay. The mobile is on auto pay, and my mortgage is on auto pay. So I really like the idea of auto pay. Some people don't like it. I like it. I can set it and forget it, just make sure I have the money in my bill account and I can move on. Having to go in to pay these bills every single month sometimes can be the reason why we end up late on these bills. So my father's birthday is on the 6th, I believe. So I need to note that here. It's either on the 5th or the 6th. The reason why I get confused is because my uncle's birthday is also on the 5th or the 6th. So I'm just gonna put his birthday for the 6th. So I will be putting that in my budget. Next is my electricity bill. My electricity bill is $174.81. I did put my electricity bill on a payment arrangement because I just didn't want to fork out this amount of money at one time. So the payment arrangement is actually a total of I think it's like $15. Yeah, it's $15 every 15th of the month. So normally what I have a history of doing is I'll put things on a payment plan, but I will definitely pay it off early. I did that the last time. I put the bill was $400. I put it on a payment plan. I got the money and paid it right away. I didn't even have to work the payment plan, but it's there just in case I need it. Next is my water bill. It's $47.79. My water bill is due every other month and it's about $50. Then I have payday, which is on May the 12th, and I'm excited about this payday because it comes with a bonus, and so it's really going to help me with catching up my HOA because I'm going to have that bonus included in there. And then I have a credit card bill here that I'll need to pay, and then we have Mother's Day, which of course that is going to be in the budget to bless my mother with a gift of her choice. And then the electric bill is, well, not the actual bill, but this one is the payment arrangement, is $14.56, and this is over the course of a year. And then I have life insurance, which is $108.76. I have a personal loan, that's $133. And then I have a MasterCard. I'm not sure what the payment is. I won't know until later into the month. And then I have my car insurance and my home insurance, and that is that's $109, I think. Hold on, guys. But I actually think that actually decreased. I think it's 109. It used to be 120. So my car insurance and my home insurance is 109. And then I have a friend's birthday, which is on the 20th, and she is having a birthday party. And then I have my Macy's credit card and my Amazon Prime. I'm sorry, this is my MasterCard, this is my Macy's. My Amazon Prime is due, and then I'm paid again on the 26th. And then hopscotching down below, I have Hulu, which is $12.99, Stars $8.99, my solar bill, my gas bill, I'm not sure what those are until later in the month, and then I have a court debt, $75 that I pay, and then I have my Apple, not sure what that payment will be either. I do have a lot of apps, but I use the apps. If it ever gets to a point where I just feel like it's a waste, then I will start chipping away at the apps, but I definitely use them. So this is pretty much my outline, I'll say, for the month of May. I do not put together like a full-on budget. I just outline because it's better for me that way. And then I'm gonna break it down by paycheck. So the paycheck that I received in April, which is April the 28th, that is going to take care of all of these bills up until the 12th. And then on the 12th, this paycheck is going to take care of all of these bills and expenses up until the 26th and so forth. So that's how I budget. It works best for me. I am using the Budget Moms budgeting system. It is the paycheck workbook, and you can find that on her website. I have it linked in, I'll have it linked down below for you if you need that. But that's pretty much it. So I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.